Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. So our first word is spoon. қошуқ. 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 And people also say chumcha. Okay? Chumcha. So, excuse me, do you have any spoons? мебахшед шумо ягон қошуқ доред? мебахшед шумо ягон қошуқ доред? Fork. чангак. Changak, changak. And changak, to be honest, I've never heard changak before, even though I used to work as a waiter. We usually use the Russian word, vilka. Vilka is more common. Alright, the sentence. How many more forks do we need? Bamo both chand changak lozimast. Bamo both chand changak lozimast. Knife, cord, cord, cord. And r in the middle, the letter r. It's silent, and the way we say it, it's more like kot, kot, without r. Give us 2 knives and 4 spoons, please. لطفاً با ما 2 cord و 4 قاشق دهید. So now let's say it without r. لطفاً با ما 2 cord و 4 قاشق دهید. Cup, piola, piola, piola. And the shape of piola is like a mini bowl. It's small. We use it usually when we drink tea. And the sentence, may I have a cup of tea? ممکن است یک پیاله چای نوشم. ممکن است یک پیاله چای نوشم. And don't be surprised, I'm wearing a different shirt because that part of the video wasn't recorded. That's why I look different. Bowl, коса, коса, коса. I'd like a bowl of soup, please. من یک کاسه شوربه می‌خواستم. من یک کاسه شوربه می‌خواستم. Teapot, چойنک, چойنک, چойنک. And there is another one, chonik, and I guess this one is more formal, chonik, but you can say چойنک. So, she filled the teapot with boiling water. بای چойنک رو با آب جوشان پر کرد. بای چойنک رو با آب جوشان پر کرد. Plate, tabak, tabak, tabak. So, the plate is big. Tabak kalon ast. Tabak kalon ast. Kazan, or cooking pot. Dik, dik, dik. So, my mom cooks pilav in a big cooking pot. مادرم در دیگ کلان آش پلاو میپزد. مادرم در دیگ کلان oshi palav mepazat. And if you want to make it sound more polite and more in a respectful way, you can end mepazat with and, mepazant. So it will be more like respectful. Modaram dar degi kalon oshi palav mepazant. Refrigerator, yahdon, yahdon, yahdon. Put the vegetables in the fridge. Sabzavatho ро ба яхдон гузоред. سبزوات‌ها رو با یخدان گذارید. Tablecloth, دسترخوان, دسترخوان, دسترخوان. So, the sentence. Dinner is ready. Spread the tablecloth. خوراک شام آماده است. دسترخوان رو گشایید. خوراک شام آماده است. دسترخوان رو گشایید. خوراک شام is quite formal. Yeah, some people say خوراک شام, but there is another one, ужин, which is from Russian. Ужин. It means dinner. It's more common. Ужин. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and thanks a lot for leaving us comments and liking our videos. We appreciate that. So, see you guys in the next video. Khair.